best desktop computers. As work, creativity, and entertainment continue to shift toward more powerful digital environments, the demand for the best desktop computers has grown significantly. Today's buyers want systems that deliver durability, speed, and long-term value without compromising design or usability. In this guide, we evaluate desktops based on performance type, build quality, layout efficiency, upgrade potential, and overall value for home, business, and everyday users. Here are the top 5 models worth considering.
Product number 1, Dell Optiplex 7050 SFF Desktop PC. The Dell Optiplex 7050 SFF remains a favorite among professionals seeking a compact yet powerful desktop. Its small form factor design allows it to fit easily in tight spaces, making it ideal for home offices, corporate environments, and classrooms. Equipped with efficient Intel processors, the 7050 delivers snappy performance for multitasking, office applications, and web-based workloads. Its build quality is notably solid, with Dell's reliable chassis and cooling design ensuring longevity and quiet operation. The machine offers generous connectivity with multiple USB ports, DisplayPort outputs, and expansion options despite the compact frame. This model is also well known for its impressive upgradability, allowing users to increase RAM or swap out storage effortlessly. For anyone needing a dependable, space-saving desktop that balances performance and affordability, the Dell Optiplex 7050 SFF remains one of the strongest contenders in its category.
Product number 2, HP 24 Touchscreen All-in-One Desktop Computer. The HP 24 Touchscreen All-in-One is a sleek, modern solution for families and professionals who want power without a bulky tower. Its 24-inch Full HD touchscreen display offers vibrant colors and intuitive navigation, making it ideal for browsing, video streaming, and creative tasks. The all-in-one layout eliminates cable clutter, giving any desk a clean, organized look. HP pairs this design with efficient processors and fast SSD storage, providing quick boot times and smooth day-to-day performance. This AIO is especially appealing for users who appreciate simplicity. Setup is effortless, just plug it in and get to work. The integrated webcam, speakers, and Wi-Fi make it perfect for remote work and video calls. While not meant for heavy gaming or intensive editing, it delivers excellent value for general productivity, multimedia use, and home environments. For those seeking convenience and style in one device, the HP 24 AIO stands out.
Product number 3. Dell Optiplex 3060 Desktop Computer. The Dell Optiplex 3060 is built for business reliability and everyday efficiency. Known for its strong performance-to-value ratio, it handles multitasking, office software, web applications, and light creative work with ease. Dell designs the Optiplex series with enhanced durability, and the 3060 is no exception. Its sturdy chassis and secure architecture make it a dependable long-term choice for both offices and home users. This model includes ample connectivity options such as USB 3.1 ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, and Ethernet, ensuring compatibility with modern peripherals and dual monitor setups. Its internal layout allows easy access for upgrades, meaning users can extend its lifespan by adding memory or upgrading storage. The Optiplex 3060 is a practical pick for anyone seeking stable performance, minimal maintenance, and strong overall value. It's especially suitable for professionals, students, and small businesses needing a work-focused desktop.
Product number 4. HP Prodesk 400 G7 Tower Business Desktop Computer. The HP Prodesk 400 G7 is a business-class machine engineered for reliability, security, and performance. With a tower design, it offers more airflow and expansion flexibility than smaller desktops. Equipped with capable Intel processors and fast SSD options, it handles demanding productivity tasks, multitasking, and enterprise workloads with consistency. Its build quality is robust, reflecting HP's focus on long-term durability and efficient thermal management. Security features like BIOS protection, TPM, and HP's management tools make it suitable for professional environments that require data safety. The larger tower frame also provides room for future upgrades, including additional storage drives and more memory. For users who want a serious workstation that balances performance with stability, the Prodesk 400G7 is a standout choice. It's well-suited for small to medium businesses, home offices, and anyone who needs a dependable desktop built to last.
Product number 5. Lenovo 24 All-in-One Desktop Computer. The Lenovo 24 All-in-One Desktop delivers a clean, modern, all-in-one solution, great for families, students, and small workspaces. Its 24-inch display combines clarity with a slim, clutter-free design that saves valuable desk space. Lenovo pairs this AIO with reliable processors and fast storage for responsive everyday performance, perfect for web browsing, productivity apps, and entertainment. One of its biggest strengths is user-friendly functionality. The integrated camera, speakers, and wireless connectivity make it ideal for online meetings and multimedia use. Lenovo's thoughtful build quality ensures quiet operation and long-term stability, while its neat cable management adds to its minimalist appeal. Although not intended for intense gaming or professional editing, this all-in-one delivers excellent value for households wanting performance and simplicity in a single elegant package.